Radhika, Nawaz Bhai, Hani, good to see you. And my first and most important question is, I hope your family is safe and healthy during this COVID-19 crisis.
Yes, they
Yes,
all are. So far, so good.
I hope yours is
Thank you.
safe as well. Your family and friends are safe.
Thanks for checking in. So far, so good. Honey, you put together some super technicians. There's Pankaj on cinematography, if I'm not mistaken. He did Haider, Talwar, Sneha Khanwalkar, again, incredible body of work. And of course, there's the legendary Shrikar Prasad. Why did you think these people were right for this particular film?
See, the first thing, these are the kind of people who I knew through my film experience and all, because I was closely attached and worked with Pankaj on Talwar. I was the creative producer, so there was a kind of chemistry we developed. And of course, I didn't know when I was starting this film whether this film will be able to afford Pankaj or not. He was in America, I remember, and when my draft was ready, I sent him the draft to read. And without any that thing, I just gave him as a friend to read it. And his one line reply came after reading the script: "No one else is going to shoot this monster." So that was his reply. And Shrikar sir has, we have worked with him a lot. When I was assisting Vishal sir, he has edited couple of Vishal sir's film and all. So I was in touch with him, and I asked him, "Ki I'm doing one film, and I definitely think this film needs you." And you read the script. So because I always wanted the editor to read the script first, like not only to see the rushes, because what I was making is more like who done it, and it's a thriller. So I really wanted to discuss my exit and entry points and how I'm thinking, like before I go on flow and shoot this film. Sneha, again, like I'm a huge fan of her music, and uh, like when I was thinking about this film, and she was one of the obvious choice I had.
नवाज भाई पहले की फिल्मों में क्या होता था कि जासूस अलग होते थे और पुलिस वाले अलग होते थे। जैसे कि अगर आप फेलुदा लीजिए या ब्योमकेश बख्शी ले लीजिए। लेकिन इस आदमी में करमचंद भी है, फेलुदा
बोलो
भी
हाँ।
है, बख्शी भी है, सब कुछ है। ये अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा जासूस समझता है और है भी। तो इसके बारे में बात करें और इससे आपने बिल्ड कैसे किया इस जासूस कम पुलिस अफसर को?
एक्चुअली ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन की एक ऐसी चीज़ क्यूरोसिटी होती है, तो हर आदमी को, इवन अगर आम लोगों में भी देखो, एक एक टेंडेंसी होती है हर चीज़ को जानने की, कि क्या इसके पीछे क्या था, कौन किसने किया, ये वो। तो आई थिंक उसका खुद का भी एक कुछ अपना एक पर्सनल वो है, और जानने की भी एज ए प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेटर से जानने की भी वो है, उसको क्यूरोसिटी है। तो वो एक बार शुरू करता है तो उसमें बहता चला जाता है, खोता चला जाता है उसमें।
I love your styling, Radhika. I mean, we call it tattoos, but people in rural India call it gudna, you know, the body art. The look, the disheveled yet mysterious look. Let's talk about your styling. Who are the people behind it? How much did you add to that look and styling?
I mean, it was entirely a team effort, and we were trying to stay true to where she comes from. I mean, I always find the disheveled look quite appealing. I find the too made up look a bit hard to carry as an actor, because it's too much of hard work when you have perfect hair and perfect, like, proper hair and all of this. With this, I feel I find it more at home. I feel more at home. I feel more like I'm in the skin of the character, like much better. And I also love the look. Actually, we did a lot of. I remember our costume trials and everything. Deciding we were all on the same wavelength. Also, we wanted to go the same color tones, like blouse and sari, and give it. There's thought behind everything. But I also love those tattoos. Marathi में
Yeah,
से गोंदवना.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So, Honey, Ronnie and you came together for Son Chidiya, now Raat Akeli Hai. Let's talk about your co-producer, the synergy that you share with him. He's another person like you who's been around, a lot of wisdom. So, your working relationship.
I think, see, I have the experience of working with the different producers in different capacity also, and I have also seen Vishal sir with the other producers and all that. And in my experience, I think Ronnie is one of the greatest producer I have experienced. And seriously, I really wish I should always get a producer like Ronnie Screwvala. And if I have one wish to ask for. So, and there could be many other reasons when you get the opportunity to succeed, even from the person who's giving you the opportunity to succeed. There could be several reasons, but somebody giving you a freedom to fail, is really, really big thing, because once he invests his faith in you, after that, till you go to him with your first cut or something like that to show it to him, he will not even bother you with his one call, ki, how are you doing? He will not interfere even this much. It's like, the day I have greenlit your film, I have put in my faith, my money in your project. Now you need to give me what you wanted to make.
That's
So
lovely.
I think it's an overwhelming experience working with him.
नवाज टिशू और आप, तिग्मांशु धूलिया और आप जब भी स्क्रीन पर आते हैं तो सीन जो है वो चमक जाता है। दोनों रिहर्सल करते हैं या सीधे थिएटर स्टाइल टेक करते हैं, इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं? इसके बारे में बताएं।
आई थिंक हमने काफ़ी रिहर्सल किया था। पहले वाला जो पहले बार एक बार जो सीन हुआ था टिशू भाई के साथ, उसके लिए काफ़ी रिहर्सल की थी। आई थिंक सारे सीन जो टिशू भाई के साथ उसकी काफ़ी रिहर्सल हुई थी पहले।
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब पहुंच गए और अनुराग कश्यप स्टाइल छूट मिल के आप लोगों को जो करना है करो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। डोर पकड़े रहते हैं। हनी त्रेहान।
हाँ।
We know, Radhika, that Nawaz is watching a lot of films, working on his craft. How's your life in London? Are you watching films? Or are you able to get out and take a walk in the excellent parks in London town?
I don't know. I somehow am not consuming a lot of books and films the way I used to. I normally, when I'm shooting or working or whatever I'm doing, I am constantly reading either one book or couple simultaneously, or I watch at least something every night. But somehow since lockdown, I've stopped consuming so much. I don't know why. I'm not giving myself a hard time for it. But I feel like more like doing nothing is my vibe at the moment, and I think haven't had a break like this, and there's a lot to gain from doing absolutely nothing. I think
Walks in the park? I envy the parks that London has.
lots of them, lots of long
Yeah.
walks, lots of hiking.
Nice. Honey, your production house is called MacGuffin, which is something Alfred Hitchcock, the great Hollywood film director, used to talk about MacGuffin, and it's very Hitchcockian. And what I like is you make a film that's so Hitchcockian, it still retains a very strong original voice. Don't get me wrong. So my question, obviously, logically, is: are you a Hitchcock fan at all?
I'm a great Hitchcock fan, and keeping the name MacGuffin for my production is kind of my tribute to him.
That's nice. So good. I was
Yeah.
right. And why Kanpur? I mean, the milieu could have been anywhere, right? I mean, you take a story like this, which is fantastic, the twists and turns. Why Kanpur in particular? I don't think you even belong to Kanpur. You're from Allahabad, right?
Yeah, I'm basically from Punjab, Taran, and I lived several years in Allahabad. But those were the years when I was growing up, like in my 8th, 9th, 10th standard, 12th standard. So I know these kind of people very closely because my mother's side of family is from Allahabad. So somewhere these characters were like, I know them. I have seen these kind of people. I have seen these kind of joint family, and I've seen the problems, not the same problem, but uh, different kind of other problems, and I know how these people react. And my father, because he was into the construction business, and he had so many cop friends, like any police station, you just go and ask for my father's name in Allahabad, they will drop you to my home. So I have seen so many police officers and so many cops and everything. So they all are from UP. So I felt like these are the kind of people and the character I know, and I'm comfortable telling this story in this manner. So
नवाज, इतना बड़ा कास्ट है, इतनी बड़ी हवेली में एक साथ शूटिंग की आप लोगों ने, सबसे ज्यादा किससे बनती थी आपकी? अब ये मत बताइए कि सबसे सबसे बनती थी, वो तो है, जग जाहिर है कि आप फ्रेंडली किस्म के इंसान हैं। सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कौन था सेट पे?
आई थिंक श्रीधर मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त था, क्योंकि मैं शूटिंग ख़त्म करने के बाद भी जो पुलिस वाला जो बना हुआ है
हाँ,
मेरे साथ में, जिसको मैं थप्पड़ मारता हूँ, प्रोमो में आता है ना, और वो और मैं जाके शूटिंग के बाद भी हम लोग आई थिंक 12-12 बजे तक बैठते थे, 1-1 बजे तक बैठते थे होटल में और बातें करते थे हम लोग। कहते हैं ना वो, बकचौदी बहुत करते हैं, बकैती बहुत करते हैं।
honey, this is UP Leja at its best.
yeah.
Next film, lovely. Radhika, in a sense, both these characters are looking for each other to save each other, right? I mean, Jatil and Radha, but nothing is spoken, and you must have found that really, really exciting to explore. We talked about your look and your styling, but from an internal perspective, isn't that just amazing for an actor to dig into?
Yeah, I think it is. I mean, in the typical noir genre, what happens is there's a femme fatale, and then she gets rescued by this man eventually. But here, she does need this super, like, from an exterior ex, rescue. Is it okay to say exterior? But you know what I mean, from the outside.
Yeah. From the
And
outside, correct.
he's he's going to rescue him from the inside of all the demons that he's surrounded with. So that's the our take of modern noir, I think, and the woman, and I think that's what was tricky, because she's like, her life is so filled with such traumas and such horrible past, that to make her, in spite of that, make her very feisty and very, like, um, spicy, and her dialogues are so cool. I mean, I've never worked with such a stylized format before. So yeah, I think it was very interesting to do that.
बहुत सारे लोग कहेंगे नवाज, माँ बेटे की नोक झोंक जो है वो कमाल की है। आपके और इला अरुण के बीच में बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपका अपना रिश्ता कैसा है अपनी अम्मी के साथ? उसके कुछ एलिमेंट्स आप लेकर आए, वो प्रक्रिया लेकर आए इसमें?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स, कहीं ना कहीं वो जिस तरीके से हानि चाह रहे थे करने के लिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक्टर अपनी लाइफ से कनेक्ट करके डिस्कवर करता है उस चीज़ को, उस सीन को या उस इमोशन को। तो मेरी अम्मी से मेरा इसी तरह का है, जिस तरह का इलाज से था। खूब लड़ाई झगड़ा भी होता है उनसे, और कहा सुनी भी होती है, और फिर फाइनली वो रोने लगते हैं, फिर मैं मनाता हूँ उनको, ऐसा चलता है।
Honey, I believe you found the script in a script writing program. Is that true? Just talk about it, because it's a really strong script. I mean, it's the kind that any director would go, whoa, let's do this.
When I wanted to direct my first feature, I had couple of ideas in my head, and I was looking for a writer to collaborate. So that was the time Smita's this Rata Kalia script came to me as a sample script. So I read this script, and somewhere I could identify with this script, and I got excited. Then I asked Smita ki I want to make this film as my first film, and she happily came on board, and so the journey started. Ronnie had read this script, I think, from the script lab, and so RSVP was really excited to make this film. And then Ronnie got to know that this film is with me, and that time I was about to start a different film that period of time. And when that didn't work out, so Ronnie asked me, ki, end of the day, you'll go out and make this film with somebody. Why don't you make it with me? So that's how it all started.
Nice. So, Radhika, let's presume that the casting process is bite-sized entertainment and directing a film is full-form entertainment. So is Hanith Rayan a better casting director or better film director? And let me add, is it more fun going through bite-sized entertainment, which is casting process with him, or is it more fun doing a whole film with him?
I mean, obviously, I think doing a whole film with him, because there are like 2-3 casting directors only that I've worked with, where I have longed to be auditioning, at least. Like otherwise, auditions are terrifying, and nobody wants to do them. But when you go in a room where Honey taking the audition, it's fun. It's pure fun because you are actually doing the scene as if you would do it on a film set, and what you at the end of the day enjoy is the process, you know. And so it was like that with him. I mean, we had a lot of prep, and that was, I think, far more exciting than like thinking about, oh, we've done a film. Like the post, you know what I'm trying to say, the process of going through every step and then having that scene. So we had like right from dialogue training, we had rehearsals with Honey and Smita, and like me individually for my part, do the character building. Then the next step was body language, ensemble cast, our relationship. We had workshops for that where Honey was there, Atul Mongia was there. Then we had set days for rehearsals specifically on location with property, with set, with all the technicians. It was literally so much amazing prep, and Honey was open to changing everything to the last minute. Any small, slight nuance, reaction that comes on, he tapped onto it. So it was really a lot of fun.
नवाज भाई, लॉकडाउन के चलते कुछ नया सीखा? फिल्में तो देख रहे हैं आप दिन में 2-3 जो भी है, फिल्मों के अलावा बताइए, ऐसा क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला आपको?
मैं फिल्मों के अलावा कुछ सीखना भी नहीं चाहता अब लाइफ में। मैं सच बताऊं, मैं फिल्में ही देखता हूँ, फिल्में करता हूँ, यही लाइफ है और इससे ज़्यादा मुझे लाइफ में कुछ और चाहिए नहीं।
कुछ भी नवाज भाई, बटन सील दिया हो, कुछ किया हो?
ना ना, खेती 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 अब हमारे यहाँ खेती है आजकल। जवार जवार ववार बो रखी है, तो उसकी कटाई शुरू होने वाली है। उसके बाद सरसों बोएंगे उसमें।
क्या बात है,
धान तो बो
खेती
दिया,
तुम
बाड़ी।
बोगे या
धान तो
तुम
लोगों ने बो ही दिया।
खिड़की से बताओगे अभी ये करो
क्या
कैसे?
है?
हाँ,
क्या
तुम
कह रही
खुद
हो?
खुद जाके
करेंगे कि नहीं,
करोगे
पूछ
या
रही हो?
खिड़की के में बैठ
मैडम
के बताओगे
मैं
मैं ऐसा करूँ?
मैंने 25 साल मैंने खुद ही अपने हाथों से किया है।
क्या
अरे
बात है,
मजाक कर रही हूँ यार।
मतलब
मतलब
अच्छा,
बहुत कुछ
आप
बोया
धान
है।
बो दो आगे।
मतलब बहुत कुछ बोया है खेतों में भी। कहने का तात्पर्य ये है ना नवाज भाई, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, बहुत कुछ
हाँ
बोया
हाँ,
है।
मतलब हाँ, लोगों ने धान बोया हमारी लाइफ में। हमने हमने अनाज बोया, लोगों ने धान बो दिया।
दान पोदी। Honey, Honey, the title of the film. Are you a fan of the Jewel Thief song, or is it just some other reason? I mean, is it as plain as that? Saying, "Boss, I needed to incorporate this, my favorite song."
No, I'm definitely a huge fan of Jewel Thief and that song. But the title, when I heard the title, it was not. I couldn't. That was not the decision. Ki, okay, there is a song also, Rata Kelia. So that's why I need to keep. When Smita told me about this title, Rata Kelia, so while reading the script and going through the moment, I thought ki this Rata Kelia is holding a certain mood itself, you know, and. So I went ahead with the Rata Kelia title only. I
My
really
last
like
question
that
is,
title.
yeah, it is. It's a lovely title. There's no doubt about it. My
Yeah.
last question is to Radhika. Nawaz just talked about how much he and Tishu rehearse. Yeah. Now, anybody who sees Radhika and Nawaz on screen know that you guys are just amazing. You're just magic together in whatever you do. How much do you guys rehearse when you get together for a scene?
I went for rehearsals 2-3 times when Nawaz couldn't make it.
So take me. Actually, I wanted to ask when you talked about those workshops, na Atul
It
Mongia, ye wo.
happened.
I wanted to ask Honey saying, Nawaz bhai aaye the kya unme? So basically, a lot
भाई
of it
बता
happens
दो।
on the spot.
No, I think, you know, also what happens is certain. I mean, Nawaz and I know each other.
Correct.
Work. We have a good work relationship because we've worked before. But I think certain times it's good to also go on set with, like, for example, our characters don't know each other at all, whereas the rest of the family and I had to have a relationship and a past. So it did work well for us, I think. You know what I mean? To do that on purpose. And also, Honey had allocated rehearsal days. Like, I remember one whole day was rehearsal, no, Honey, before we went to the particular room.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
we had rehearsal that day, going through
बिल्कुल
every
सही कह रही
small
हैं। हाँ।
No, that rehearsal was for the purpose because these are the people who are living in this Haveli for a couple of years. So I just
Yeah.
wanted them to just find out which room belongs to who lives in which room, where is the kitchen, where is the dining
Yeah.
area, and all that. Just live, just spend time and meet each other over there. So
Correct.
the generic.
Guys, thank you for the chills and the thrills and the spills. And have a good one. Cheers.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
Thank you.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you very much.